EMPRESS, flatbed zig-zag machine, triple strength stitch, snap-on presser foot, single touch reverse stitch, 4-step buttonholing, lightweight with carrying handle, foot or motor operated, easy to do embroidery, picot, blind stitch and zip fixing.
25 stitch functions.
Excella, color-coded functional display, built-in cam, free arm for circular stitching, triple strength stitch, inbuilt motor, twin needle capability, 4-step buttonholing, sewing light with switch, easy to do embroidery, picot, blind stitch, over edging and zip fixing. 30 stitch functions. ALLURE, color-coded functional display, built-in cam, free arm for circular stitching, triple strength stitch, inbuilt motor, twin needle capability, 4-step buttonholing, sewing light with switch, easy to do embroidery, picot, blind stitch, over edging and zip fixing. 30 stitch functions. FLAIR, lightweight with carrying handle, single touch reverse stitch, stretch stitch, snap-on presser foot, 4-step buttonholing, easy to do embroidery, picot, blind stitch, over edging, zip fixing. 32 stitch functions. Fashion stitch, lightweight with hard cover and carrying handle, built-in motor, free arm for circular stitching, single touch reverse stitch, stretch stitch, snap-on presser foot, 3 dials for stitch length, stitch width and stitch patterns, 4-step buttonholing, easy to use for embroidery, picot, blind stitch, over edging and zip fixing, sewing light, drop feed arrangement for embroidery. 36 stitch functions. Stitch magic, built-in needle threader, 1-step buttonholing, lightweight with hard cover and carrying handle, built-in motor, Free arm for circular stitching. Stretch stitching. Snap-on presser foot. Built-in light with off-on switch. Single touch reverse stitch. Drop feed for embroidery. Easy to use for picot, blind stitch, zip fixing and quilting. 57 stitch functions. My Style from Usha. Lightweight with hard cover and carrying handle. Built-in motor. Display window for design patterns. Free arm for circular stitching. Apollo rotary shuttle with top-loading bobbin system for easy functioning. Zig-zag width 6.5 mm. Snap-on presser foot. Built-in light. Single touch reverse stitch. Drop feed for embroidery. Easy to use for embroidery, picot, blind stitch, over edging, stretch stitch, etc. Twin needle compatible. 56 stitch functions.